Today I am going to discuss about subsidiary alliance. British East India Company started bringing India in a orbit of British empowerment. The subsidiary alliance is non-intervention policy. It is used by Lord Wellesley, the Governor General from 1798 to 1805, to establish British empowerment in India. According to this system, every ruler in India had to accept to pay a subsidy to the British for maintenance of British army. The term subsidiary alliance was introduced by French Governor Dupleix and firstly used by Lord Wellesley. Non-intervention, which made the Nawab and Nizams subsidiary allies by signing almost 100 treaties. Key points of subsidiary alliance. Indian states rule except the permanent garrison of the British Army to pay subsidy for its maintenance. The Indian ruler could not employ any European without prior approval by the British. They could not negotiate with any other Indian ruler without consulting the Governor General. The British resident was also stationed Indian court. States become under the periphery of the policy. Nizam of Hyderabad was the first victim of this policy in AD 1798. Second state was Mysore in AD 1799. In AD 1802, Peshwa Bajirao II subjugated his state under this policy. The policy of subsidiary alliance was on a reality that states have no the rights of self-defense, of maintaining diplomatic relation, of employing foreign experts, and of settling its disputes with its neighbors.